let's make this evil eye granny square. To make this evil eye granny square, you will need yarn of 4 different colors. I'm using cotton yarn. I have black in the middle, then light blue as in the second row, white in the third row, and the dark blue in the fourth in the final row. I'm using a 3 mm hook. So let's begin. In row 1, you begin by making a magic ring. Go around, make an X, put your hook through, pull the top part of the X, twist a little, pass it through the yarn and pull through. This is how, stuck in my finger, a magic ring is made. Now what you will do is chain 2 and make 2 half double crochets inside the magic ring. That's 1, 2. Okay, then you will do chain 1 and make 3 half double crochets again in the magic ring. 1, 2, 3. Okay, chain 1 again. Once again, make 3 half double crochets inside the magic ring. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1 again and make 3 half double crochets in the magic ring. Do your final chain 1. Pull your magic ring close and make a slip stitch in the chain 2 space that you had made in the beginning of your row. Chain 1, use the scissors to cut off the thread. That's your row 1 made. It's in black, so you may not clearly see it. Next, we use the light blue yarn. Now, you will insert the light blue yarn in one of the chain 1 spaces, any of the chain 1 spaces that you find. I'm going to insert it here. To secure the chain 1, the new yarn, before beginning row 2, I'm going to tie it in place. Just one knot. I'm just making one knot. Go inside the chain 1 space. We are beginning row 2 now. And join the yarn. Now make 2 chains. Okay. Then proceed in making another 2 half double crochets in the same space. Okay, once you've made the 2 half double crochets, chain 1 and make 3 half double crochets in the same space. Remember, you're making it in the same space. Now, find your next chain 1 space and go directly into that chain 1 space. You can carry over your yarns to hide the remaining threads, and to secure them, of course. Pull and make 3 half double crochets in the next chain space. do it again. 2, 3, chain 1 and put another 3 half double crochets in the same space. This is your pattern basically. You have to put 3 half double crochets, chain 1 and another 3 half double crochets in the chain 1 space of row 1. Again we are going to the next chain 1 space, make 3 half double crochets, now we are at the final chain 1 space. Go inside that space, notice I've covered the remaining yarn behind, which has helped me secure it, so I don't have to use a needle to secure it in the end. I'm going back, making my second half double crochet, my third half double crochet, chaining 1 and making another set of 3 half double crochets. Cotton yarn, and just like you did in your row 1, how you closed your row 1, you will put your needle through the chain 2 space and make a slip stitch, and that is your row 2 crocheted. Make a chain and chop it off. Now we'll be crocheting row number 3, which we'll do so using our white yarn. In this case, insert the white yarn in the chain space between the set of two half double crochets that we made. I'll show you, just again and join it the way we did last time. You will tie it. Once joined, connect, make chain 2 and make 2 half double crochets in the same space. In the next space, which is the space between the two sets, this, can you see this diamond, this V shape? In this space you will put 3 half double crochets. 1, again carry over your yarn because this helps to secure it without you needing to do so in the end. Why is it blocked? Try again. Oh, it's just the black yarn with the shadows playing tricks. 1, 2, 3. Now go into the next set, the chain space here, and make a set again, which is, this is your corner stitch basically. So in every corner you will put 3 half double crochets, 2, 3, chain 1 and another 3 half double crochets. Sorry. This is a corner, so you will, this is also a corner, so you will put 3 half double crochets here. 1, 2, 3, then you will put chain 1 and slip stitch in the chain 2 space like this, and then you will close your round the way you do. Chain 1, cut the thread, tighten it. Now we are back to the final round, which is our round number 4, where we will be using the dark blue thread. In this, again we will start in the corner chain space, and like in the previous row and all the rows before where we joined the yarn, we will first join it by tying it, then put chain 2 and make 2 half double crochets. So what we are doing here is crocheting only 1/2 of a corner. We are starting that way. Now in the next 2 V spaces, you will put 3 HTCs, which is 3 half double crochets each. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, back yarn is coming around, so I have to 3. We've come to the next corner space, so what we're going to do is we are going to make a set of 3 half double crochets, chain 1, then do another 3 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3. I'm taking the remaining thread behind, securing it behind. Put 3 half double crochets in the V spaces. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then you will come to your next corner where you will put a set of 3 half double crochets, chain 1, 3 half double crochets. 2, 3, chain 1, 1, 2, 3. Then put 3 half double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Another 3 half double crochets. 1, 2, 3. You come to the corner, you will make 3 half double crochets first, put the chain, then another 3 half double crochet in the same space. Then you come to your remaining 2 V spaces where you will make 3 half double crochets each. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We're back to our where we started. Here you will put, in this chain space, you will put 3 half double crochets. 2, 3. Chain 1 and then slip stitch in the chain 2 space. Chain 1, cut your thread, and that is how you make your evil eye granny square. Happy crocheting! Bye!